Okay, imagine for a second an AI that doesn't just hear words, but actually understands the conversation, the tone, the questions, the context, everything. Well, that's exactly the promise of Voxtral, a brand new audio model from Mistral AI that is seriously poised to change how we interact with sound itself.
You know that feeling, right? You're just drowning in audio. You're staring at a huge recording of a meeting or a long lecture or some podcast, and you just know the one piece of information you need is buried somewhere in there. What if you could just ask the audio file a question and get a straight answer?
Well, that is precisely the challenge Voxtral is built to solve. It has this massive 32,000 token context window. Just think of tokens as the little pieces of words the AI can hold in its short-term memory. And having a memory this big lets Voxtral process and understand up to 40 minutes of continuous audio all in one shot. But here's what makes this a really big deal. Mistral isn't locking this incredible tech away. Nope. They're releasing it with open weights under an Apache 2.0 license. They are literally handing the keys to developers and researchers everywhere. This is huge because it means the power to build the future of audio isn't just in the hands of a few giant companies anymore. Now, you might be thinking, okay, open source. That usually means there's a catch, right? A trade-off in performance. Well, that's the thing. Voxtral completely defies that expectation. As we're about to see, this model goes toe-to-toe with some of the biggest closed-source models out there. And in a lot of key areas, it's not just competing, it's winning.